My view from one of the pastures. Beautiful. Got the shooting range over there. Little fixer-upper. Hey, JanisLamb here with Everyday Chaos. Here's our little project we finally got here. We've been here actually for 3 days now, but we are just waiting on a little bit of paperwork before we can start the project house. But I figured I'd give you a little tour anyways. So here we go. Your front gate entrance. Goes all the way up. There's the house right there. So it was like a garage built on, the house was built on top of the garage. So there's no stairs on the inside, so we got to build those. And then change a few things. And yeah, make it our little dream home. It'll be fun. The front view from the other side of the pasture. So there's one side, and then that was the other side over there. About 5 acres. Not bad, not bad. Plenty of room to ride. It's already got some stalls back there. Probably change those around, some corrals. I think they had llamas, is what I was told. So we'll probably have cows back there, want some chickens. Kind of self-sustained. I'm going to build a greenhouse over here next to the house. And a little she shed for all my art crap and video stuff. It'll be fun. I'm excited. I want to make the back deck into like a little boho lounge area. Me and the girls are excited about that. They're excited to help me with that actually. Okay. Let's go inside. Okay, starting from the front of the house, I'll take you upstairs first. Looks like they made these themselves. Probably won't keep these ones. I'm gonna do a nice front deck area. And we don't need these ones. Front door. Okay. This is the living room, kitchen, but this will change into a bedroom, a bathroom, bedroom. This is where we have to add stairs, kind of where Hank's hanging out. And then, so one room, there'll be 4 rooms up here total. Here's the bathroom already. We'll just match it across the way. Looks like they had some artists up in here. Come on, Hank. And I figured we'd just we're gonna take that out and just make that hall continue because there's another door that goes to the back deck. And that room will end up exactly the same size as this room. So it's fine. But yeah, nice little fixer-upper, y'all. We did it in the other house. We can do it again. We're fine. So we had a little flood issue. That's why we can't really live up here and work on it at the same time. Some mold and stuff like that. So now we gotta take stuff out, like mega stuff. We were gonna do that anyways downstairs, so whatever. Ended up dropping the price, so that ended up being a blessing in disguise. So we'll come in the back deck actually. So this is where we'll build another wall that'll be like a hall that goes all the way out to the back deck. That's where I come out here and study. In the wee morning, like 5 a.m. I'm out here. It's so beautiful. You can still see the moon and the stars. Okay, here's our back patio where we want to do the boho theme stuff. There's our view. All those corrals all the way back there. Turn them into 2 corrals. What's nice is you can go around this whole property with the quads and just ride all day long. Kids are happy, they're having fun already. Okay, let's go downstairs. The next set of steps. You care if you're on film?
Who is it?
It's for YouTube.
No, I don't care.
Okay. Already making noise, I see.
Gotta start somewhere.
Yep. Laundry room. This will probably be the master. Sorry, making you dizzy. Okay. Slow down with my turning. That will be like the front door area. This was, I believe, where the garage door was. I don't know. It's a weird makeshift garage door. Living room. The stairs will have to start there and then come on up. This will be where the front door will go instead. Gotta put a window there, dining room table, put a little island, and then your kitchen. And yeah. So that's downstairs. Should be fun. And I already plotted out where I want my she shed art area. It'll be right here. And I want like the entrance here, and it'll go directly through, and you can get access to the greenhouse right here and go directly in it. It'll be like the majority of that space, not the whole way, but yeah, it'll be cool. I'm excited for that. Kind of funny because I'm gonna build something similar to this over there where I was telling you about. This apparently was some kind of, they used it for something. I figured probably a chicken coop, but they did have animals in here at one point. Oh, please don't tell me you found a snake. But yeah, the kids want to turn this into, like, kind of revamp it. It's not in that bad a shape. You could probably revamp it and make this into the kids' little hangout section. Be kind of fun. It doesn't seem too much work, this building, so we might actually keep this one. It is kind of cool. The other one, that, no. But the container next to it is an old dairy container. Probably use that as like food storage stuff or something. It's really cool in there. It's actually pretty nice. You got these pins. They're all connected to power. They had it set up pretty cool. Yeah, lots of work. To be honest, not as much as the other house that we were in. Not as much work. Almost about the same, but not really. It's more about moving some of these pens around, and honestly, that's not that hard. So, welcome to chaos. So I've decided that little shack shed thing, instead for the kids, because they're all worried about spiders, potential spiders. So it's gonna be mine. I realized I don't actually have room for all of my office stuff. Crap. So it's gonna be mine. And you're gonna get a lot of rough going on because you know what? We're kind of roughing it out here. And hillbilly deluxe style, you know. So, got it all cleaned up, and then I have some other stuff that I can patch holes with and paint at home, and I realized I actually don't need to take the flooring off in here. Like, I'll take the sticker stuff off, but it's all wood underneath, just like the ceiling. So excited. Hanging out, cleaning out my new she shed. It was already here exactly how I wanted to build, and it's here. And I am messy, and it is dirty and gross and super dusty, but it's super exciting. Okay, so just exactly how I wanted to do it, have a door here and a door there, and this is already done perfectly. And been cleaning it out. This she shed will be my new office and art room, and I'm gonna put it next to the house. Yeah, you can't see from here. I'll have to show you later. But yeah, so it's a work in progress. And we peeled off these super gross things they call the ceiling, and look underneath it was this beautiful wood. And I'm just gonna revive it and just make it look good. So excited. Okay, here it is. I washed it all out. Hosed it. I even hosed the ceiling. The ceiling got a good washing. I still have to go over the rest of it and get those craps off. I hate those things stapled on there. And then I can paint it. And I'll probably just do that cheap sticker stuff because this is a shed. And it doesn't really matter, and I don't want it to be that expensive. I just want to be able to have it going and ready for me to get filming in it and start doing my art in it. So I'm just gonna paint it white. That way I get the brightest and the best lighting. But yeah, took all day.